Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Today I will introduce you to a stunning natural spot in my area, namely is Puntang Adventure Park. Mount Puntang or Puntang Adventure Park is one of the favorite tourist destination for nature lovers and mountain climbers. Nah, in Puntang Adventure Park, there are many places to visit. This place is also commonly used for camping. One of the places I often visit is the Love Pond, or I usually call Kolam Cinta, in front of which lies the first radio station in Asia, the Malabar Radio Station. Nah, this place is so beautiful. Even at the first glance, it feels like being in a fairy tale land. Next to the nestled pond, there is also a cafe owned by Anji Manji himself. Yeah, maybe you know Anji Manji. Is the famous male solo singer. In addition to the Malabar Radio Station, there is also a crystal clear river. The water in this river is very cold, refreshing, and extremely calming. Many people come here to swim, have meals together, and more. And then the peak of Mount Puntang is called Mega Peak or Puncak Mega. To get there, we need to hire a guide, of course. Nah, before reaching Mega Peak, we will pass through a waterfall that is deeper in history, namely Siliwangi Waterfall or Curug Siliwangi. Nah, in Puntang Adventure Park, there is a rare unique breeding center called Javan Gibbon. Maybe you know Jawa. Nah, but if you want to see it, you have to be accompanied by tour of highly staff. Maybe that is a brief introduction to Puntang Adventure Park. If you're interested, don't forget to visit. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.